Okay, folks, the following video is the first test routine that's on the ROM that comes with the robot. It's called Sensor Demo. It checks the microphone and the temperature sensor. So let me go ahead and fire that up. Okay, folks, in order to initiate the sensor demo, which is a routine that comes on the ROM with the robot itself, you have to initiate execute 003. Okay, now what you're looking for here now is a sound monitor. As you can see, as I talk or as I tap, this LED moves further and further to the right. So that demonstrates that the microphone is working. And over here on the left, on this display, you can see the temperature, 32 degrees. When you initiate the robot, you have to put in time of day, date, and temperature. And that's what I put in. So it's still the same temperature. So that's all there is to the this routine. There's only those two sensors that are tested. And that's it for now.